currently, this is how it works. On. Riding around, need to stop, reach down, kill it. Not the safest way to do it, especially if you're riding. You don't want to be reaching down, obviously. I think that's pretty obvious. So you got the kill switch here, on, off, and then here's what we're talking about with the male fitting and your ground wire. All right, this comes factory from the 224s when they make them. Makes it super simple for a kill switch. Literally just plug it in here, and we'll ground out the cable to one of these, and then we're gonna run it up backside, up through here, and up this backside, and connect it right there. All right, we went ahead and set this up here just for now, just to kind of get it in so we could run the wire. So I just gotta tighten those two screws up. In the meantime, I'll go right through here just to get it ready to go. Just make sure when you tighten it down, you got enough room to turn left, turn right. Good to go. Let's see if it works. All right, turn it off. Turn it off. All right, now as a safety precaution, we're gonna go ahead and try to start it with it off. Not working. Perfect. Just flipped it. Now let's see if we can start it. Starts up. Looks like we're good. Try it one more time, turn it off. Alright. That easy. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope the video helped with the kill switch on the 224. If it did, go ahead, like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. All right.